Hi Hopper class, I hope you're well. This is one of your final geography lessons. Let me share your screen, or my screen, blah, 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 boulder dash. There we go, let me have a look, there we go. Before we get started, we're going to do a little quiz. So you need to go and get a pencil and a piece of paper. Have you got it? Great stuff. Right, there are 11 questions in the quiz. I will read them all twice. You can pause the video if you need more time, and then we will mark them at the end. Okay, so the first question, number 1, is, can you name the country that this flag belongs to or represents? So, can you name the country that this flag represents? Pause if you need to. Question 2. In which country in the United Kingdom do men wear kilts for special occasions? In which country in the United Kingdom do men wear kilts for special occasions? Question 3. Can you name which country this flag represents? Which country does this flag represent? Question 4. Can you name the red country on the map? Name the red country on the map. Question 5. In which country in the UK do people tell stories about a magical person called a leprechaun? In which country in the UK do people tell stories about a magical person called a leprechaun? Question 6. Can you name the green country on the map? What is the name of the green country on the map? Question 7. Which country is Buckingham Palace in? Which country is Buckingham Palace in? Question 8. What is the name of the pink country? What is the name of the pink country? Question 9. What is the capital city of England? What is the capital city of England? Question 10. What is the capital city of Wales? What is the capital city of Wales? And the last question, can you name the blue country on the map? What is the name of the blue country? Okay, pause the video, make sure you've answered all the questions. And now we're ready for our answers. So question 1 was England. Question 2, Scotland. Question 3 was Wales. What was question 4? England. 5 was Northern Ireland. Question 6 was Wales. Question 7 was England. Question 8, Northern Ireland. Question 9, the capital city of England is London. Question 10, capital city of Wales is Cardiff. And question 11 was Scotland. So pause the video, mark your quiz, and then post your results on Tapestry for me to see. Right. The learning objective for today is, can I create a fact file about the UK? Fantastic. Now, before we move on, we need to know, what is a fact file? Let's find out. A fact file is one page of information about a specific topic. Now, if it's a page and it's got facts on it, so it's informing us about something, then it is a non-fiction text. So we're not writing a story, we're writing facts. Our fact file today will be about the United Kingdom. Honestly, can't remember why I made that slide. Right, let me stop sharing. And then I'm going to write my fact file first, or I'm at least going to start it. And hopefully you can see what I've done. I've thought carefully about how I'm going to write my fact file. Now, when you do a fact file, it's really important that as soon as you look at it, you know what it's about. So then you need a very clear title. So I have drawn a line with a ruler at the top for my title. And my title is going to be The United Kingdom, because that is what my fact file is about. Now, it's going to be tricky. I'm not used to writing on the wall. I'm going to have a capital letter. The. Now, United Kingdom is the name of a place, so we need a capital letter. The United Kingdom. A very clear title there. So if anyone walks into my house right now, they'll know that I have been learning about the United Kingdom. Now, it's up to you how you present your fact file. I'm just going to give you some tips. Now, there are 4 countries in the United Kingdom. So I have drawn a box for each one. So now I need to decide which box will be for which country. So the first country is England. I'm going to write in this box. Now remember, sorry if I'm in the way, England is the name of a place. So it should start with a capital letter. Now this is my subheading. So everybody will know that any information I write in here will all be about England. So I'm going to do subheadings in each box. For this box, I'm going to write Northern Ireland. I didn't really think this through. I'm very close to the floor. I don't know how I'm actually going to write this. Sorry. Children's toys everywhere. Northern Ireland. Okay. And another country in the United Kingdom, can you tell me? Scotland. Scotland. There we go. We've got our Scotland subheading. Just make sure that I'm not writing on the wall. It's fine. And what's the final country in the United Kingdom called? That's right, it's called Wales. There we go. So we've mapped out where we're going to write. So in each of these boxes, I would write a fact about that country. I've also got some other spaces here where I could draw some pictures as well. So let's think of a fact about Scotland that we have learnt. There was one in the quiz, wasn't there? Ooh, I could write, at special times, men wear kilts. At special times, men wear kilts. Fantastic. I'm going to write that sentence. Now I'm going to remember my writing toolkit. I need a capital letter. At. Special. Now that's a tricky word to write. At special times, men wear kilts. Full stop. Now, if you wanted to, you could draw a picture of a kilt in this box, or you could do a completely different fact. It's up to you. You could also add that shortbread is a recipe that comes from Scotland, and it's one of Miss Wassell's favourite biscuits. Okay, let's have a think. Oh, what is the capital city of England? That's right, it's London. So I could write in here, the capital city of England is called London. The capital city of England is called London. Good job. I realised I didn't give you enough time to say the whole sentence the first time. Right. Okay. I'm going to be in the way now. I'm going to try and get a nice glimpse of my child's high chair there. Okay. Capital letter. The capital. City. Now, city is a funny word because when you Fred talk it, it starts with a S. It doesn't start with a S. It starts with a K, but we pronounce it city. The capital city of England. Capital letter because it's the name of a place. Is London. And that's also the name of a place. London. Full stop. So I've still got some room. So if I had lots of time, I could add something else here. It could be another sentence, or it could be a picture. Let's have a look. Okay, let's do one for Wales. So let's have a think. There's a creature on the flag, on the Welsh flag. Can anyone remember what it is? That's right, it's a dragon. Does anybody know what colour the dragon is on the Welsh flag? Well done, it's red. So I'm going to write, let me think of my sentence before I say it. There is a red dragon on the Welsh flag. There is a red dragon on the Welsh flag. Excellent. Let's see if I can write that. Well, I'm so close to the floor. There. Capital letter. There. Oops, I've made a mistake, so I'm just going to put a line through it. There is a red dragon on the Welsh flag. Full stop. There we go. I'm going to stop there because I'm getting rather uncomfortable on the floor. But what I'd like to see you do is think carefully about how you're going to present your fact file. I'd like to see that you have separated each country into a different section. So a subheading will be a fantastic and easy way to do that. Once you've written your facts, if you've still got space, then draw some pictures. You don't have to do this all in one go. I realise it's a big piece of work. So do as much as you can and then come back to it. You could draw the flags. So you might want to go back onto Google or go back to some of our previous lessons. You might want to draw things like kilts or shamrocks or leprechauns and rainbows. It's entirely up to you. No two fact files will be the same. I'd like to be able to read your writing though, so take your time please, so that I can see that you have really tried your best. Your steps to success say that I want to see that you have written at least one fact for each country and you have remembered your writing toolkit, so that's your capital letters, finger spaces and full stops. I want to be able to see that you have checked your writing for mistakes before you put it on Tapestry. And really important, I want this to be your neatest writing, please. If you are somebody who really struggles with writing, you could present this in a video. However, if you are someone that is really good at writing, I want you to write it, please. Because if you upload a video, I might ask you to write it anyway. So if you are someone that does really, really struggle, you can do a video if you want to. But if you don't really struggle, you need to do the writing. Okay. I look forward to seeing them. I'm really excited. And I hope you enjoy doing it. So I will see you soon. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to put it on Tapestry, but also I want to see your quiz results as well. Let's see who got the highest score. Take care, everyone. Bye.